Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about subtraction. In this lesson, you will learn how to subtract numbers. Are you ready? What is subtraction? Subtraction. Subtraction is taking away something from a whole or from a set. It is also taking away a number from another number. Let's study the picture story. There were 5 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 flowers were taken away. 1, 2, 3. So, 2 flowers were left. 1, 2. So these are the flowers that were left. 1, 2. 2 flowers. So once again, this is the picture story. Again, there were 5 flowers. 3 flowers were taken away. So 2 flowers were left. Below is the subtraction sentence for the picture. It reads as 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 5 is the total number of flowers. 3 are the flowers that were taken away. And 2, the flowers that were left. 5 is called the minuend. 3 is called the subtrahend. And 2 is called the difference. So these are the parts of a subtraction: minuend, subtrahend, and difference. So once again, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 5 is the minuend. The minuend is the number from which a number is subtracted. 3 is the subtrahend. The subtrahend is the number to be subtracted or taken away from the minuend. And 2 is the difference. The difference is the answer in subtraction. The symbols used in subtraction are the minus sign and the equal sign. Let's find the difference in the picture story. So we're going to find the difference using pictures. So first step, count all the objects together. So we're going to count all the teddy bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 teddy bears. Second step, count all the objects that were crossed out. So we're going to count the teddy bears that were crossed out. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 crossed out teddy bears. So we're going to find the difference between 6 and 3. So 6 minus 3. What do you think is the difference? And to find this, we're going to have the third step, count the remaining objects. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 remaining teddy bears. So it means 6, the total numbers of the objects, minus 3. Okay, the objects that were taken away or crossed out is equal to 3. 3 is the difference or the answer in subtraction, and these are the remaining objects. Am I clear with this? Let's have another example. Okay, so first step, to find the minuend, let's count all the objects or the boxes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 objects or boxes. And for the second step, let's count all the objects that were crossed out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 objects that were crossed out. So we're going to find the difference between 9 and 5. So 9 minus 5. So again, to find the difference, let's count the remaining boxes or objects. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the remaining boxes are 4. So it means 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So let's have another one. Again, let's count all the objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 ice creams. And then the second step, the crossed out objects. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 ice creams. So these are the objects that were taken away. So we're going to find the difference. 7 minus 6. And for the last step, let's count the remaining objects. So it's 1. So only 1. So it means 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Am I clear with this? We can also use our fingers to do subtraction. So let's have this example. 5 minus 3. So let's find the difference. For the first step, show the total number with your fingers. So this is the minuend. So let's show it. Okay, so there are 5 fingers here because the minuend is 5. For the second step, fold the number of fingers according to the given subtrahend. So the given subtrahend is 3. So let's show it. So we folded, okay, 3 fingers. So 1, 2, 3. 3 folded fingers. Again, because the subtrahend is 3. And for the last step, count the remaining fingers that were not folded. So it means these are the fingers that were not folded. So let's count. 1, 2. There are 2 fingers. So it means 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Is this clear? So let's have another example using fingers. So let's have 10 minus 2. So let's find the difference. So again, let's show 10 using our fingers. So we have 10 fingers here. So we're going to subtract 2. So it means we're going to fold 2 fingers. So 2 fingers were folded. 1, 2. And for the last step to find the difference, we're going to count the remaining fingers. Those who are not folded. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the remaining fingers are 8. It means 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Am I clear with this? We can also use count on to do subtraction. So let's have this example. 6 minus 3. So let's find the difference. For the first step, find the smaller number or the subtrahend. So in the given example here, the subtrahend is 3. So 3. Okay? Next, for the second step, think of the next number to it. and count on. Stop to the bigger number, so which is the minuend, so 6, using your fingers. Okay, so again, think of the next number to number 3. So 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to stop to number 6 because this is the minuend. Okay, so for the last step, okay, the number of fingers you have used to reach to the minuend would be the answer. So again, let's try. So 6 minus 3. So the subtrahend is 3. So what's next after 3? 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to stop to number 6 again because this is the minuend. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. So it means 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Is that clear? Let's find the difference using our fingers. So let's have the first example. 5 minus 2. So let's find the difference between 5 and 2. So we're going to show in our fingers the minuend, which is 5. So 5 fingers. And for the subtrahend, which is 2, it means we're going to fold 2 fingers. So we're going to fold 1, 2. So let's count the remaining fingers. 1, 2, 3. So it means 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Next example. 8 minus 3. So let's show 8 with our fingers. So 8. 8. And then minus 3. So it means we're going to fold 3 fingers. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let's count the remaining fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the remaining fingers are 5. So it means 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Another example here. 10 minus 5. So let's show 10 fingers for the minuend. So let's fold the subtrahend, which is 5. So 5 fingers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's count the remaining fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the remaining fingers, 5. It means 5 minus 10 rather. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Am I clear with this? Okay, one more example. 6 minus 2. So 6 in our fingers. Okay, and then minus 2. So it means we're going to fold 2 fingers. 1, 2. Now, let's count the remaining fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the remaining fingers, 4. It means 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Is that clear? Let's find the difference using count on. For the first example, 8 minus 4. So for the first step, find the smaller number or the subtrahend. And in this example, the subtrahend is 4. And for the second step, we're going to count on after 4 up to 8, which is the minuend. So let's try. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to stop to 8 again because this is the minuend. So how many? 8 minus 4 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. That is correct. So 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Let's have the second example. 9 minus 3. So again, let's count on from the subtrahend, which is 3, up to the minuend, which is 9. So let's have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it means 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. That is correct. Let's have another example. Yay! 10 minus 5. So the subtrahend is 5. And then we're going to count on up to number 10. Up to 10 because this is the minuend. So let's have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, how many? That is correct. It's 5. So it means 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Very good. Okay, so let's have our last example. Okay, 14 minus 8. So which is the smaller number? Of course, it's 8. So 8 is the subtrahend. Again, we're going to count on up to the minuend, which is 14. So let's have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many? Okay, very good. So it's 6. Therefore, 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. Okay, am I clear with this? Don't forget, if you subtract 0 from a number, you get the same number. Example, 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Another one, 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. So again, if you subtract 0 from a number, you will get the same number. Another one, if you subtract a number from itself, you always get 0. Example, 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Again, if you subtract a number from itself, you always get 0. Are you ready? Let's find the difference. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. Let's check your answers. To get the minuend, let's count all the objects. So let's have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 burgers. And for the subtrahend, we're going to count the cross out objects. So let's have 1, 2, 3. So there were 3 cross out objects. And to find the difference, we're going to count the remaining objects or burgers. So let's have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the remaining burgers, 5. Therefore, 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, let's check your answer. For the minuend, let's count all the objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, 12 objects or hearts. And for the subtrahend, those crossed out, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 crossed out. So, 12 minus 5 is equal to, let's count the remaining objects or hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Let's check your answer. For the minuend, let's count all the objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are 16 apples. And for the subtrahend, let's count those crossed out apples. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. Now let's count the remaining apples or objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the remaining apples are 8 for the answer. No? Therefore, 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Let's check your answer. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. And the answer is 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. And the correct answer is 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. Eight minus 8 is equal to 0. Ten minus 0 is equal to 10. 13 minus 7 is equal to 6.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.